Peace. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. So this is a turning red buddy. I do baskets for Easter. So I'm doing something a little different. I'm putting the box in the basket to kind of let people know which buddy this is, that it's official, Scentsy Buddy, etc., the name of the buddy. I put the paper that comes with all the packing materials. This is some of the shred that comes in the whip boxes, so you can recycle that. I put some like around the outside, and I have the paper at the bottom, so I don't have to use so much shred. And I'm gonna put goodies in here. I do more healthy things. I do a few little jelly beans, but I do like cookies and chips, and not a whole lot of candy. So their Easter gift is more the stuffed animal. It's not really a whole bunch of candy. If they want a chocolate bunny, they have to go buy that separate. So I'm going to wrap this and show you what it looks like. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena. So I'm doing something new this year. Usually I put the scent pack inside the basket, but I'm doing it on the outside this year. And I always leave the face out so they can see how cute the stuffed animal is. Just tie a little bow at his neck. And so the little goodies, I'll just stuff them in the sides, around here on this side, and then I'll tape it up at the bottom. And so that's my basket. So we have about 7 weeks or so before Easter. And so if you want to do a basket for your little one, Scentsy Buddies make the cutest little baskets for Easter. All right, peace. Assalamu alaikum.